Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA chart, or the ADA chart, is still holding well above micro support. Quick reminder that the yellow scenario here is preferred, and the idea is that a larger degree fourth wave likely bottomed here on the 20th of December. What kind of wave 4 is that? Let's take a quick look at the ADA long-term chart. The idea is that this was the wave 4 in a larger uptrend, which could complete actually with the next move to the upside here. Yeah. So quick explanation about the context. Idea is that this is in the yellow scenario an A, B, C structure, and wave C could have started in August. We saw the wave 1, we saw the wave 2, the third wave. This here could have been the fourth, with one more high to come, which could target $1.72 to $2.36. Next, okay, I mean, further upside extensions are possible. It's very much possible that the microstructure needs some adjustment along the way. Maybe down here, this was some kind of a 1-2, 1-2 setup. There might be another 1-2 hidden there. So we get another, Therefore, I'm not going to confirm a top until we really break support. I would like to see at least one more high. We need to see how the market is developing with one more high and how the market reacts to 172 and 236. I cannot rule out further upside extensions, but what I can say is at this stage that from what I can see in the chart, the probabilities that a major top forms after the next high is high. Okay. Now we need to take it level by level. It's always important to get the move done. We want to get the move done in 5 waves, okay? And anything on top of that is nice to have. Such a C wave is a 5-wave pattern, and only 3 waves have formed now. At this point, right? 1, 2, 3, and we need another 4, 5 for a clearer 5-wave pattern that should reach, as I said, 172 plus. So that's the larger context. Of course, there is a more bullish alternative available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But even this fourth wave should be quite a substantial correction. So I don't want to, look ahead that far. There's no point. We want to focus on, first of all, does support hold? For now, it's holding, right? And do we get that one more high, which we should if support is holding? The parameters should be clear. So that's what we're going to focus on in the coming days, weeks, over the coming sessions. So ADA chart on the shorter time frame suggests obviously that this fourth wave is bottomed. We had a wave 1, we had a wave 2. The price reacted to the micro support area, which we defined here for this wave 2. I can now remove it. We don't need that support area anymore. Price has now moved up enough for me to say that, even if we break this upper support here now, which is still relevant, this here between 80.9 cents and 90.2 cents, well, this support area is not needed anymore. But we had a good reaction there. What is still needed though, and I'll leave it on the chart and even shift it a little bit to the right, is this lower main support, which is marked here as key support. 64 cents remains the pivot between bullish momentum and bearish momentum. Yeah, showed you that support area here on the daily time frame as well. But in the short term, expectations are that we don't even get there, at least not as long as we're holding above that upper micro support, because the idea is that now from that low that formed on the 20th of December, 5-wave pattern to the upside forms, and we could be in the third wave, which again should be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3. This could be an internal fourth, which has developed over the weekend, with possibly one more high to come. And I already mentioned to you on, I believe on Friday, day before even, that an ideal target for this third should be $1.20. Yeah, the 138% extension can always go a bit higher, but this is for now the expectation. And I mean, zooming into the micro, this could turn into a triangle. Would look best as an ABC flat structure where the B wave could be in the late stages with maybe just, a low that might touch $1.04, $1 before we then go up in wave 5. There's at least at the moment, while I record this video, no strong evidence that wave 5 has started. It's interesting that even with Bitcoin going up right now, breaking higher. ADA isn't doing that. So it might follow, but that, maybe the ideal structure, which would be an ABC structure, and I haven't seen the C wave yet, slows it down a bit. Yeah, it wants to do that C wave. It looks like it wants to drop quite badly, just on the smaller time frame to form that C wave, but it might not do that if the upside pressure sector-wide is too high. Because you see the altcoins, my watch list is green again. Just ADA sideways, but ADA performed quite well last week. So it needs a bit of patience, but I think the parameters should be clear. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.